Hey guys, today I'll be showing you the correct way to import animated models into Blender. But first of all, I need to mention that I'll be using a GLP file. If you are coming from a Pro Studio tool like Maya, it's okay to go with FBX, but be prepared to fix your materials manually. Okay, let's get on to the video. Okay, we go into this menu and import GLTF or GLB file. Go to your asset in the browser and select it and click import GLTF. Okay, now as you can see, we have the model, and if you click on the viewport shading, you'll see there's materials applied as well. If I move this slider, as you can see, the animation works too. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to move individual bones that appear as small spheres in this view, so that you can change them and create any pose that you would like. Okay, first of all, you need to move to force mode. You can do it by clicking on it or pressing Ctrl and Tab. Next, then you simply have to select one, and if you want to rotate, press R, and you see they just rotate. Yeah. There you go. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day, guys. See ya later.